our 2 glass door lowboy refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 46.5 inches, a depth 23 inches, and the overall height of 40.5 inches tall. Left and right dual swing doors, and the measurement for each door will include 22.5 inches in length by 29 inches in height. LED lights located on each left and right corner of each swing glass door. And included will be a total of 6 adjustable shelves, 3 on the left, 3 on the right. The measurement for each shelf will include 17.5 inches in depth by 20.5 inches in length. Overall length for the left and right shelves combined in one continuous row, we have a combined length of 41.5 inches total. Interior dimensions for the refrigerator itself will include 16.5 inches in depth, 26 inches in height, and an overall length of 43 inches. Additional LED lights are also located on the left and right top ceiling. And located on the lower right column will be the temperature control and display. Located on the back right column is the NSF retail certification. And this refrigerator runs on 110/120. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.